Hey friends, today we will study how to recover your files from Recycle Bin and Windows 11. So let's start. Suppose I send this document to the Recycle Bin, so I just have to get to the Recycle Bin and right click, and as we can see is right click and restore, so it will be restored. Also, you can check that when these files has been deleted and you want to categorically check the files, so we check on date wise. So let's start. I'm going to check as properties. Sometimes Recycle Bin is not showing up, so you have to get to personalization, themes, and to desktop icon settings. So if I hit click on this, uncheck and click OK, we can see it is there but it's hidden, so we have to make it again on the desktop. So we get to the themes and desktop icon setting, Recycle Bin. Okay, so with these settings we can easily find out the hidden Recycle Bin and its corresponding item which is deleted, and we can recover it date wise also. Thank you for watching.